Monster waves and rough seas can be found just about anywhere you look on this planet. Powerful storms can create waves over 50 feet in height, able to toss even the largest of ships around like toys. Considering how remote many of these areas are, it's safe to say that without video evidence, most of us would not know moments like these exist. From an oil tanker being destroyed by a heavy swell to an insane video of a bulk carrier in a Force 12 typhoon, here are 5 ships caught in monster waves. The Baltic Sea is a body of water located in northern Europe. Being a fairly sheltered body of water with only one outlet between Denmark and Sweden, it's not always known for rough weather. During summer months, the ocean can be rather calm, gradually getting more severe as temperatures cool. This was the case in January of 2021. In this video, we see a large tanker traversing the Baltic Sea. It's evident that the ocean is a bit rough, but nothing compared to some of the other videos on our list. Wave after wave rolls over the ship, soaking the deck as the crew watches on. Then, suddenly, with little warning, one wave a bit larger than the rest smashed into the ship, destroying several parts of the bridge.
Действительно повезло, как только это все закончилось хуёво. Ой-ой-ой. Бля, нихуя себе.
After seeing the footage, it makes me wonder if this could have been avoided had the ship been positioned differently against the waves. With the ship damaged, it was time to head back to land to assess. Thankfully, everybody on board made it home safely. The Beaufort scale was created in 1805 to relate wind speed to observed conditions, both at sea or on land. There are 12 possible rankings on the scale, with 12 being the most severe. At this level, conditions are expected to be devastating. Waves will reach over 46 feet or 14 meters in height, and winds are expected to be of hurricane force. The next video was shot in early 2021. The ship in question is a bulk carrier meant to transport unpackaged cargo such as grains or coal. During its journey through the North China Sea, the ship found itself right in the middle of a powerful Force 12 typhoon. Despite bulk carriers being some of the largest ships on Earth, it was no match for this typhoon. Wave after wave slammed into the ship, causing heavy rolling and pitching. The North China Sea saw many typhoons over the 2021 season. Based on when this video was posted, it's possible that this ship was caught in Typhoon Surigay, which was the strongest of the year so far. Thankfully, the ship sustained no damage and there were no injuries of any kind. In December of 2015, the ship HMNZS Otago was sailing through the Southern Ocean near Antarctica in search of people who were illegally fishing for toothfish. This is a common mission this ship makes with the intent of catching poachers. The people on board got a bit more than they were expecting, though, when they found themselves in the middle of a storm.
Kind of broke out, eh?
The one behind it didn't.
Behind it.
That's God.
I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of scared then. The gun just got fucked up.
Exhaust temperature outlets.
Oh, fuck me. Pipe.
The Southern Ocean is known for its extreme weather and is considered the windiest ocean on Earth. According to the man who filmed the video, the waves were approximately 20 meters or 65 feet in height, with wind reaching 80 kilometers or 50 miles per hour. Despite how violent the waves were, everybody on board enjoyed the show, and there was no damage to the ship. Back in 2013, the Atlantic hurricane season was in full swing. Despite being a relatively inactive year for tropical storms, many still occurred, and, as you're about to see, brought with them some massive waves. In the Atlantic Ocean, about 80 miles off the coast of Portugal, the tanker LPG Veneer was caught in the remnants of these hurricanes. Watch as the tanker battles wave after wave. It's hard to get an accurate measurement of the size of the waves in the video, but our sources estimate them to be at least 10 meters or 32 feet in height. This video quickly went viral online, with the original soon being lost in the mix, only to be properly identified years later. There was even a period where several British media outlets falsely claimed this footage to have been taken during the search for a missing aircraft in the Indian Ocean. In the end, the ship weathered the storm and lived to sail another day. The Bay of Biscay is a gulf in the northeast Atlantic Ocean along the borders of France and Spain. It is a body of water that is famously known for its extreme weather and abnormally large waves. Many large ships have become victims to these waves over the years, and as you're about to see, it's no surprise how. Shot in 2009 on board a Navy ship, this video gives us a great look into some rough conditions in the Bay of Biscay.
Фото. Да, that's recording. See, it's recording.
The ship in question is a merchant Navy ship, which weighs over 12,000 tons. During this video, it was actually sailing through a storm force 10. This ranking is only 2 away from the highest possible level, and is regarded by the NOAA as having very high waves with heavy rolling swells. Despite the commanding size of the ship, you'll notice that it gets swept around with ease by the waves. Once docked, the crew did notice some serious damage to the ship, but thankfully, nobody was injured. In February of 2021, the United States Navy was running practice drills far out in the Southern Ocean. This ocean is located in some of the most remote and hostile areas of our planet. Commonly referred to as the Antarctic Ocean, this body of water is the coldest and windiest on Earth and is known far and wide for its tough weather conditions. On the day of the practice exercise, they had another issue to deal with, a Force 12 storm. This storm produced strong winds and monstrous waves. The exercise was being completed by a small patrol boat that, at many times, seemed as if it were no match for the seas.
It's dangerous, bro.
The creator of this video would later go on to say that it was perhaps the wrong decision to go out in such rough seas. There was a lot of danger in completing this training mission in such conditions, as it would have been a very difficult operation to rescue the crew of the patrol boat should something have happened. Thankfully, for everyone involved, nothing did happen, and the crew returned safely to land. Imagine yourself in that situation. Would you have gone on that boat? Rough seas and monster waves can be found just about anywhere you look on our planet. Without seeing video of these moments, you may not understand just how terrifying and incredible they can be. Thankfully, modern ships are built to withstand such extreme conditions. If you enjoyed this video and want to see another one just like it, be sure to click the link on screen now. With that, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.